everyone, today I say you welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria. If today is your first time you're coming to this channel, I say a very big welcome to you. Don't forget that we love you, we love your family, we love everybody around you. Alright? Subscribe, like, and hit on the notification button so that you can get the notified whenever we upload a new video. Alright, that's what we do in here. We talk about this. Okay, and if you are a returning subscriber, please also copy the link. Always keep it in your pocket. Wherever you go, you spread. Don't forget, we ship everywhere. Alright, we ship to US, we ship to Canada, Europe, Asia country, and every other country as well. UK. Alright. So even the African countries around us, we ship everywhere, alright? Even in Nigeria area, we deliver everywhere. So we talk about that, okay? So and again, I want to make you understand also, you can go check other of our channels also. That one still remain AYA Cosmetic. Go check it, subscribe. We have beautiful content in there, okay? And then again, let me invite you to other of our new business, because I found out that a lot of people be asking me, oh, I see like you know all about hairs also. So please, can you get us hair weave on, you know, any type of weave on you need. So I want to officially announce to you guys also we have other platform where we sell weave-ons also, Brazilian weave-ons, you know, human hairs, you know. Any of the type you want, upgraded ones, or you just need average quality or low quality or high quality, all type of weave-ons we sell, okay? Even Ankara also. For those of you who want to buy Ankara, you want to buy weave-ons, you can always contact us. I will always put up the link for you, so guys understand that. Alright, so let's continue. What I have for you guys today is this Peau, Jaune, baby. Peau. It's just so painful that I don't know how to say this. Some people, they don't like the truth, you know. Some they keep saying this Peau lotion is not good on them. I don't know how to say it. Might be you be using some of that lotion, when you quit, you just dive into Peau. No. I've told you, if you cross a lotion, when you want to leave the lotion, let that lotion on your body, first of all, wear off. Alright? You stop that lotion before you cross to any lotion. Because I see no reason where you go and say, this yellow color Peau, they did not bribe me, they did not give me any money, I didn't collect any money, I'm saying the truth. This Peau, you say it's not good on you, that is a lie. That's a lie, that's a lie. This Peau lotion is one of the lotion I will always advise whoever who want to cross from one lotion to another lotion to get it. Let me quickly see what they write on it. Let me read for you. They said this lightning body milk has Peau Jaune specially be developed for smoothing. Oh my God! So that is what you say is not good for you. You know, just only lightning, that it smooths the skin. Alright? And then we have other, substance inside. We have other, like solutions inside. It's not just lightning, it doesn't just smooth the body. Go down a bit, read it down, you will see. It contains other items they use in making it. And let me add to the secret to it. I don't want to go deep about it. Are you getting it? This is making the second time I'm talking about this lotion. Say it again. This is the concentrate you can use to tap your blessing, double blessing. Alright? It will wash you. Shy. It will bring your color out. it will bring the recolor. You know, like some people, they have the recolor, but they be using other lotions and they don't know how to express their feeling. They will say this lotion they're using, it try. It's not try we're talking about right now. What we're talking about is the perfect lotion. The perfect lotion that will bring your color out, the recolor. So when you use these two together, it's a double blessing. This is the whitening lotion already, plus this concentrate. What do you mean by concentrate? That is to say, it's not divided. The concentrate is highly concentrated, so it's high. It's high, not like they say a bit is milk, a bit is oil. No, this is just the concentrate. Are you getting it? So the concentrate, when you add, we have the oil also, we have the oil, but when you add the concentrate to this lotion, this milk lotion, you will see that it will speed up the action, the effect you want to see. It will speed up the effect before you know it. If it's supposed to take you like 20 days for the color to appear, for your skin to smooth, for your skin to be whitening, for your skin to be moisturized, for your skin to be flawless. When you add this to it, before you know it, it will be 10 days. That's what I'm saying. No matter how stubborn your skin is, don't say, oh, because it has some, it's not for, it's all skin type, baby. It's all skin type. Right? It's all skin type. So don't tell me, oh, it's not, it's for some particular people. No. Alright? Now, when you add the oil to this again, because I know a lot of people, I know what they want. Yes, trust me. I know a lot of people, they shock me, so I know what they want. Alright? So they might just say they want the oil plus the concentrate and the milk lotion to be mixed together. So there's no side effect. There's no side effect. That's why I want to tell you. Mix the three together and you'll still get the extra color you want. So in other words, it's not just gonna, it's like a switch. You switch it from one to another to attain one particular height. And what is the height you wanna get white? So it will give you that. When you use all of it, including the soap, also it's still gonna give you that. No side effect. Personally, I've tried this before. I've one time used this before. I started using my own lotion when I said, okay, before I said I'm done with all that. So this is one of the lotion I advise you, I urge you all to use. The only thing that it will not make it to work when you get a fake. And how do you get it real? I think I said the original. So come on, baby, one more time I tell you, let's go back to the show. Don't forget Austin Global Skincare, Austin Global Cosmetic, Austin Global Organics, Austin Global whatever. We got the real stuff for you, alright? We got the real stuff for you. Whatever you need in this skincare line, or you need whatever you need in the organic line, or whatever you need in the cosmetic line, always count on us. Alright? So that is that. I told you about this lotion, it's very good for you. Very good for you. Don't forget, I told you that we also sell weave-ons now. We have a super store where we sell weave-ons, where we sell Ankara and all those African attires that you need, right? So always patronize us. Do not forget. Stay blessed. Happy weekend. Bye bye.